How to avoid getting ripped off, detecting fake rare coins. Rare coin collecting can be thrilling, but it comes with risks. Counterfeit coins are on the rise. Imagine proudly adding a rare piece to your collection, only to find out it's a fake. In this video, we'll uncover how to spot fake coins and protect your hard-earned money. Fake coins often look convincing, even to experienced collectors. Educating yourself is your first line of defense. Research the specific coin you're interested in and study its details, weight, size, and design. Mint marks are often a target for counterfeiters. Look closely under magnification. Are the marks consistent and properly placed? Study the coin's design. Are the edges sharp and well-formed? Fakes often show signs of poor craftsmanship, such as uneven surfaces or incorrect fonts. A magnifying glass or loupe with 10x magnification is essential for a closer inspection. For even greater accuracy, consider investing in a digital scale and calipers to verify a coin's weight and diameter. If unsure, trusted grading companies and appraisers can authenticate coins for peace of mind. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers lure buyers with low prices on rare finds. Stick to trusted dealers and auction houses with a solid reputation. Always ask for certificates of authenticity and double-check the seller's credibility before completing a purchase. Remember, knowledge is power. Counterfeiters prey on uninformed buyers, but with this awareness, you're already ahead. Join forums or local coin clubs to learn from experienced collectors. Sharing tips and experiences helps you grow your expertise while avoiding costly mistakes. Your collection is valuable, so protect it. Keep your coins in airtight holders or certified slabs, which also serve as proof of authenticity. Regular maintenance and storage in a safe place reduce the chance of damage or tampering. A well-preserved coin collection holds its value longer. Now that you know how to spot fake rare coins, it's time to put this knowledge to use. Protect your investments and grow your expertise by staying informed. Like this video and subscribe to Financial Table for more expert tips, fascinating insights, and trusted guidance. Join our community today.